Hello, welcome to Mega Factory. On today's journey, we're diving into a world you've probably wondered about. How do those fresh, succulent lobsters get from the wild ocean to your favorite restaurant plate? Well, you're in luck. We're boarding the world's most advanced fishing vessel before heading deep inside a high-tech lobster processing facility. If you're as curious as I am, let's explore this together. And stick around. We have so many more incredible adventures ahead, so make sure to watch until the very end. Wow, just look at that! We're starting our day in the heart of the wild, dark blue ocean. It's a bit intimidating, right? Our mission is to follow this massive vessel as it hunts for the ultimate ocean prize, the lobster. See the captain? He's searching for their hidden rocky homes. The crew is already prepping the lobster traps, stacking them like towers. Down they go into the deep. In this time lapse, you can see the crustaceans crawling in, lured by the bait. Even in the night rain, that winch keeps pulling. And there! The first haul is up. It's a chaotic pile of mottled brown lobsters. We only keep the best ones though. The little guys go right back home to grow. Now, let's head to shore with the catch. We've made it to the docks. Those cranes are already lifting crates full of live lobsters from the hold. It's a race to keep these beauties fresh. Step inside, feel that chill? That's the intake area for our green-shelled friends. Look at that glistening wave of dark lobsters hitting the belts. They're getting a cold spa treatment to wash the shells clean. And check this out, lasers. These scanners sort each individual lobster by size with perfect precision. It's like science fiction, but for seafood. Now we're in the sterile zone. To be humane, each lobster passes through an electric stunner first. The speed here is incredible. One motion and the lobster tail is ready. But wait, this is the cool part, high pressure processing. It uses water to gently nudge that succulent lobster meat away from the shell. When those chambers open, the shells just blow away, revealing pristine lobster meat that's pearly white. They even use vacuum tubes to make sure not a single dark shell fragment remains on the meat. Simply perfect. Ready for a color change? Watch this. The whole lobsters enter the steam tunnel, and presto, that brown shell turns into a vibrant red lobster. It's like magic. They drop straight into a cold shock tank to lock in that famous lobster texture. Every cooked lobster is hand inspected to make sure no claws are missing. Even the meat from the legs is saved. Look at those rollers go. That mix of white meat and red lobster pigment, doesn't it look delicious? BRRR. It's freezing in here. The red lobsters are heading into the nitrogen tunnel. They go into the mist and come out as rock-hard frozen lobsters. But here's the secret, the glazing curtain. This waterfall of ice water creates a transparent shield over the red shells to prevent freezer burn. After one more quick freeze to harden that glaze, we have perfectly preserved lobsters. Every box is a batch of ocean fresh goodness. We are on the home stretch. These boxes are being filled with premium frozen lobsters at lightning speed. It's fast, precise, and every lobster shipment is scanned for safety. Just look at this warehouse. Shelves of packaged lobsters reaching 20 meters high. This is where the journey goes global. From the refrigerated truck to a cargo plane, and finally, to a kitchen near you. Imagine that. From a stormy ocean to a steaming lobster dish in a high-end restaurant. What a journey, right? Thanks for exploring this with me.